Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. In case hotels cannot enforce the COVID-19 SOPs, then they should not hold events. Health Minister asks authorities to investigate into blatant disregard on rules. No pressure will work to release any person coming into state. All SOPs will be followed, promises the Health Minister. Dry weather prevails over the state and will prevail for the next 5 days, but temperatures in North Goa fall. And now for the news in detail. The authorities should inquire into lack of disregard of social distancing and wearing of masks at various hotels at the 31st December celebrations, the Health Minister said on Saturday. He said that in case hotels cannot enforce the COVID-19 SOPs, then they should not hold these events.
The government has brought in new protocols to deal with various things due to the coronavirus. These include social distancing and masks. However, it is being seen that this is neither being followed nor enforced. He said that our doctors and nurses have fought very hard to keep this infection under control, but it can be a problem if care is not taken.
That all of you have been seeing that government can bring in any amount of SOPs. It is we people, we citizens, who have to respect the SOPs. Wearing of the mask in a proper manner, wearing of the mask in a very meticulous manner, moving only with the mask, covering your nose up to your throat, up to here like I am wearing, and utilizing whatever you can, and also wearing sanitization, hygiene, all these things are very important. Tumi jar Parishat jalar, there are 12,000 people coming into the state of Goa every day by air, and 12,000 people going out, coming to about 24,000 people. On the airport, if you see, there are only 60% people without masks and 40% people with masks. Then how do you expect to control COVID? People have to have self-realization. In order to control COVID and fight COVID, people need to self-realize that this can pull down anybody. But people have been told several times that if you have some slight fever or slub, running nose, slight cold, please check yourself. And we are just doing an analysis. We are trying to bring down the level of people who come last stage. People still are coming at last stage, and then we are unable to give them the treatment or the course, or whether it is remdesivir or anything. And we are trying our best to see that we are able to save the lives of the people of the state of Goa. We are proposing, all of us are proposing in the expert committee, they have decided, they have requested, which will put up the file to the government for consideration, is that there should be action taken against hotels and other things who do not ensure that masks and other things are put by the people in gathering. We want business to continue. Economic activity must continue. Same time, if that hotel wants business, then they must ensure that their guests wear masks, social distancing is maintained, and have functions where they can maintain social distancing. These events which are there, you are not able to maintain social distancing, you are not able to ensure that masks and all are properly put, then don't have the event. हांव पयर एअरपोर्टाचेर आयला, एअरपोर्टाचेर हांव मुंबय आशिल्लो, एअरपोर्टाचेर पळयल्यार 60% लोक मास्कूच घालिना, 40% लोक मास्क घालता, आनी त्या 40तले 20% लोक सारके मास्क घालता, आनी बाकीचे लोक नाका सकयल मास्क घालता. नाका सकयल मास्क कित्याक घालूंक जाय? घालूच नाका न्ही मास्क. तुम्ही जर खंयचे तरी भायर सरतात तेन्ना तुमकां जर दिसता की काळजी लोकांची आमी एकमेकाची घेवंक जाय, तर हे सगळे SOPs आमकां वेगळ्या तरेन इम्प्लिमेंट करपाची गरज आसा.
Tourists are welcome in the state, but they should follow the norms. We do not want to take a risk. The Health Minister said the fines for masks should be increased to 400 rupees from 200 rupees that it is now. In states like Maharashtra and Delhi, the amounts are more than 3 times this.
My only thing to the media is, with folded hands appeal to the people of Goa, that please wear your mask properly. To the tourists, please enjoy Goa. We want you to come to Goa. We want Goan business to thrive. But then maintain social distancing, maintain masks, wear your mask. But there should be, I feel the fine has to be, government should increase the fine to at least 500 rupees on the beaches, because these people will not understand otherwise. And second thing is, we cannot allow people to come in to put Goa at risk.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panji.
The state government has begun the vaccine dry run in the state. In Goa, the dry run was held in the capital, Aldona, Korni, as well as Healthway, Old Goa.
Health Secretary said that the preparations for the vaccinations are done. He gave all details.
dry run of COVID vaccination is being conducted on the direction of Government of India. It is being done throughout the country in all the states. So in Goa, we have identified 3 centers in government, that is Panjim UHC, Aldona PSC and Korli PSC, and 1 private setup, that is Healthway, where 25 beneficiaries have been identified. They are healthcare workers. So this is being done on healthcare workers, 25 beneficiaries, and their details have been uploaded on CoWIN portal, that portal which has been specially created for the vaccination drive. Now the entire exercise involves everything except the live vaccine. So there will be a preparation of site, there will be a vaccination center. So 1 room would be there in which the person will come. It will be a waiting room with all the facilities like washing, toilets, etc. Then actual vaccination will take place. That's called vaccination room. And third is going to be the last, that's observation room. After vaccination, a waiting of 30 minutes is mandatory. So the person will be observed there. Now in this entire exercise, we will test our cold chain facility, our transportation facility, our manpower facility, vaccinators, and then syringes, etc. Whatever is the biomedical waste generated, that how is going to be handled. So entire exercise will be done in a dummy manner. Now once the person comes, the healthcare worker comes, the dummy, like total 100 will come today. So verification of beneficiary will be done by the officer. Then verification, his credentials will be verified on CoWIN portal whether it matches or not. Once it is done, then actual vaccination will take place, that is mock vaccination, and then he will be asked to sit in the observation room. And after that, this entire exercise when gets completed without any hitch, a certificate of vaccination will be generated through CoWIN portal, and the report will go to the mobile, to the concerned beneficiary.
So I was one of the beneficiary, but when I came here for the vaccination, for the mock drill, so when I went inside, I seen that my name was there in the list as a beneficiary, but in the system my name was not there. So because of that, I was sent back. So I'm not a beneficiary for this program.
So you are still waiting for,
I am still waiting. If they call me, I will be taking the vaccination.
Okay, total number of people are waiting over here for the...
Nearly total 25 beneficiaries are there. So right now only 3 have gone inside, and I have gone inside, but I have been sent back as my name is not there in the system. But I got a message as a beneficiary, but I can't take it because my name is not there in the system.
But you have shown your message to the doctor and all, or the in charge?
They have checked.
But what they are saying?
They have yesterday they have a meeting in the collector level also. So my doctor is supervisor, Dr. Manisha, she has spoken to the collector people and she checked whether my name, but that something is wrong in the list.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Murugaon police on late Friday night received a complaint from one MPT labor that 2 mobile phones belonging to him and his roommate had been stolen by some culprits by breaking into their house. Acting on the complaint, Murugaon police registered an offence and began investigating the case.
The PSI Sajid Pillai said that they had received information that one person had approached a resident to sell mobile phones. While investigation, the person of 27-year-old Zahid Khan, native of Madhya Pradesh, but resident at the Upper Jetty, confessed of the crime. But the Murugaon police have placed the accused under arrest and recovered both the mobile phones worth 35,000. Listen in.
काल रात्री आमच्याकडे एकलो कंप्लेनंट येयलो बाय नेम अमरेश जगदीश पाल. तो लेबर काम करता इनसाइड एमपीटी पोर्ट. तो रात्री येयलो अराउंड 9:30 आणि कंप्लेंट दिली की आपल्या रुमान तो आणि त्याचा रूममेट रावता त्यांच्या दोघांचो फोन मिसिंग जाला म्हणून. आणि रातचे 28 रातचो तो मोबाईल आपले हुशापणात दवरून आणि दुसरो त्याचा रूममेट त्याने मोबाईल चार्जिंगेक लायलो. चार्जिंगेक लायले उपरांत ते न्हिदले. सकाळी 3 जेन्ना ते उठले त्यांचे दोन्ही मोबाईल मिसिंग आसा. सो एंड वेन ही वेंट एंड चेक हिज मेन डोर आतां चेनीचो लॉक आशिल्लो तो लॉक फोडलेलो आसलो तेजो कंप्लेन आमी रिटर्न कंप्लेन घेतले बी रजिस्टर्ड ऑफेन्स आनी आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळिल्ली की एकलो भुरगो सडा मार्केट ओल्ड सडा मार्केटा कडेन मोबायल विकपाक कोणाक तरी एप्रोच जालो म्हणून तशेंच आमी थंय गेले आय अलोंग विथ PC पुरुषोत्तम नायक थंय गेले आमी आनी त्या भुरग्याक पळोवन तो आमकां पळोवन मातसो नर्वस जालो आनी ही ट्रायड टू एस्केप फ्रॉम द स्पॉट ताका आमी पुलीस स्टेशनार हाडलो एप्रिहेंड करून आनी ताका इंटरोगेट केले उपरांत ताणें कन्फेस केलें दॅट ही हॅज कमिटेड द क्रायम हो भुरगो जाका आमी अरेस्ट केला तेजें नांव आसा जाहीद खान एज 27 years अप्पर जेटी रावता तो आनी इज अ नेटिव्ह ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश तो हेंच्याच बरोबर पयलीं रुमान रावतालो आनी फाटल्या म्हयन्यांनी कितें तरी अंडर द इन्फ्लुअन्स ऑफ अल्कोहॉल ही क्रिएटेड सम क्वॉरल ताका लागून ताका तेज्या ओनरान रुमांतलो काडलेलो ताका आमी अरेस्ट केलो दोनूय मोबायल आमी रिकवर केले वर्थ ₹15,000 and 20,000 टोटल अमाउंटिंग टू 35,000 बोथ द मोबायल्स हॅव बीन रिकवर्ड ताका आमी अरेस्ट केला.
This is Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 at Mormugao.
There may be gowns of foreigners, but nobody will be allowed to leave isolation facilities till the test results are received. This is what the Health Minister Vishwajit Rane promised on Saturday.
Vishwajit said that many MLAs or even ministers may call and ask doctors to release a certain person. Even I may do so, but they will not be allowed to be released. He was speaking even as many countries and even states in the country have locked themselves down due to the extra virulent strain of the coronavirus.
Now, as far as COVID is concerned, we are continuing with the South Goa District Hospital. We are increasing, we have told to increase another 150 beds there. Whatever staff is required, we will put. So, we will take up that capacity, which has got a total capacity of 550. We will take it up to at least 250, 300 and keep it, and that type of staff we will provide. ESI will continue for these type of cases. So, these two hospitals will continue. Today, the ICU is starting in the South Goa District Hospital. So we are utilizing that so that it becomes a full-fledged facility. People are also happy with the facilities and services provided there. Also decided that we need to increase our testing facility and capabilities. So we are working on that on war footing. Also we have seen that there are newer machines that have come where the variable cost also will be a saving to the government. So as a result of which we are trying to see that these things are taken care of so that we can increase the testing facility by procuring another 2 machines in North and South Goa district hospitals by more than 500 in both the places. So existing capacity is close to 1860 and odd, and we'll add this another 1000 capacity to the testing facility in the state of Goa. There are different types of tests that modalities pertaining to tests that are guidelines and directions are coming to the state, and as a result of which all of you have seen that many other countries also have gone for a lockdown kind of a situation in view of the rise and spike. All what we are saying in Goa through the media is that all of you know that there is a new strain of corona also. We have also put certain passengers in the ESI hospital coming from UK and other places. We have found that out of that passengers, that 966 passengers came, there were about 38 positive cases, and 976 passengers which came, UK travellers which were tested, were between 9th and 20th December. We found about 38 positive cases. UK travellers contact 26 detected positive. 12 swabs are not yet received. And none of them are carrying the UK strain of virus as of now. 12 swab reports received not carrying the UK strain. There are some reports that are still pending for coming. So we are also trying to explore the possibility, rather than depending only on NIV. Dean has been, we have requested Dean Goa Medical College to take a meeting of the Joint Purchase Committee, whether we can do that, whatever is required to do the strain 2 testing within the state of Goa. So, and we have also mentioned to you about the details of the UK citizens and people who are coming to the state of Goa. What is the testing norm, and what we have decided is that these patients who are there, they will be there in the ESI hospital till all the results come, and once they go home, they'll have to comply with the 17-day home isolation. Again, there is a lot of pressure coming that we should leave them before home isolation or before the report comes. That will not happen. Any amount of pressure that is put on the system will not work. I have told Secretary, even if I call the doctor, you should not listen to me if there is a violation of the SOP that is there in place. There is no question of any minister calling or any member of assembly calling to tell that he is known to me, you leave him. There nobody will be left. They have to stay there. They have to follow the SOPs. I have told Dr. Utkarsh and Dr. Vishwajit Ferdinand and Dr. Uday Kakodkar in presence of Secretary and the expert committee, even if I phone should not be accepted. If any phone call comes for violation of the SOP should not be accepted, the onus is on them all three to see that this is implemented. File UK strain घेऊन कोण आयलो and file गोंयान पसरले, then who is responsible?
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Now for the weather. Dry weather prevailed over the state of Goa on Saturday. There was appreciable fall in minimum temperature over North Goa district and no large change in minimum temperature over South Goa district.
The lowest minimum temperature of 21.7 degrees centigrade was recorded at Panji. Weather is very likely to be dry for the next 5 days starting from 2nd January in both North and South Goa. There is no weather warning for the next 5 days. No weather warnings for next 5 days starting from 2nd Jan. Appreciable fall in minimum temperature over North Goa. No large change in minimum temperature over South Goa. Lowest minimum temperature of 21.7 degrees centigrade recorded at Panji. Weather is likely to be dry for the next 5 days starting from 2nd Jan. Goa 365 Bureau.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa365 TV and subscribe our YouTube channel Goa365 TV or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.